Okay, so this is number 8 on the chapter 4 review. So it says the number of bacteria n in a dish after 2 minutes is used by n equals 800 times e to the 13 times t. So for part A, it asks us to find the value of n when t equals 0. So this part is easy. We're just going to plug in and t equals 0 in our equation. So n equals 800 e times 13, or e to the 13 times 0. And anything to the 0 power is 1, so this is just 1, and so this equals 800 for part A. Okay, so for part B, I actually realized that I think this is not supposed to be 13 up here. I think it's supposed to be 0.13. So we're just going to continue with that. It says find the rate at which n is increasing when t equals 15. So that means when it says we have to find the rate, that means we have to find the first derivative. So the first derivative of n is equal to 800 times 0.13 times e to the 0.13. And since it says when t equals 15, we just plug in, oh, oops, this is 0.13t. We just plug in 15 for t. So after you work all this out, you get about 731. Okay, and then for the last part, part C, it says after k minutes, the rate of increase of n is greater than 10,000 bacteria per minute. So find the least value of k. And so our equation, we still use this equation right here, but we set it to be greater than or equal, or greater than 10,000. So 10,000 is less than 800 times 0.13 e to the 0.13 t. And so now we're just going to simplify this a little bit, and we get 800 times 0.13 is 104. So we have 10,000 divided by 104 is less than e to the 0.13 t. And we find the natural log of both sides. So I'm going to do this in different color. Natural log of this times natural log of this. And so when you simplify this, you get, when we simplify this, we move the 0.13t down. So it becomes natural log of 10,000 over 104 is less than 0.13t times the natural log of e. And natural log of e is just 1, so we don't need that anymore. And so now t is equal to the natural log of 10,000 over divided by 104, all divided by 0.13. And with this you get like 35.122 something, and it says the least value of k, and k has to be an integer, so the next integer would be 36, and that's your answer. So this is number 8.